Alright, super quick one here. I got the wheel off. I was doing some brake service, lubed up all the brake guides and the backing pistons, cleaned off all the extra little brake dust and stuff like that. It should be not squeaking. I was having squeaking before, so hopefully this will fix it. While I'm here, I picked up a set of polyurethane front 24 millimeter SWAYBAR bushings. So we're gonna, get in here while we're here and replace those bushings. If we don't have to, we don't want to. So I need to get to this SWAYBAR bushing bracket nut or bolt, and I was like, I don't want to have to take off this whole under tray assembly. It's like maybe like 10 clips or something and a couple of screws, but the engineers at Subaru were smart enough to put like a little access hole here so I could put my socket extension, my 12 mil here, and undo the inner bolt here. So it's like super convenient to undo this bracket now. Thanks, Subaru. All right, so this is where the SWAYBAR bushing went. You can see it's a little bit worn on the steel SWAYBAR. This is a 24 mil front. Comes from the CROSSTREK. I have it on my Impreza. Remember, we talked about SWAYBAR stiffness on the front. Helps reduce frontal body roll, but it can, if you go too thick on the front, you might induce understeer easier. So we're gonna take these out. All right, here we go. We got the bracket itself here. These two nuts and bolts, 12 mils, attached to these parts here. This is the OEM SWAYBAR bushing. It's a harder rubber, yeah, I would say. It's actually, I don't even know why I need to replace these, but these are pretty good. But here are the polyurethane ones. I can tell that they're a little bit more dense, and even though this is hard rubber and it's probably not rotted out at all, we're gonna try these ones. Give it a shot. It's not an expensive model. We want to see what the gains are in terms of taking out any sort of extra play that these bushings would have otherwise. I don't think it would be that noticeable. So it's really just to service this week, which I have a bunch of installation grease to put on again.